Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie. I am Annie, your host. Remember, each week I receive a mystery product in this bag that I need to figure out how to use at home. And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects. Let's see what's in the bag this week. Chalkboard paint. I love this stuff. I've done a few projects with it and it is great. I have about a quart, it seems like. I have a table in my basement that I bring up every holiday to put my food and drink on. I normally put a tablecloth on it because it's kind of dingy, but I think this chalkboard paint would be a great way to refresh it and personalize it. I'm gonna go grab that table. Primed my table. I have done one coat of the chalkboard paint and I'm going to reapply a second coat. Perfect. That second coat looks great, but now I need to wait 3 days before I can use it and use my chalk to write on it. I have company coming over tonight and I can't wait to show them this table. Before I use it, I need to make sure to treat the surface. So what I'm gonna do is take my chalk, I'm gonna gently rub the top of the table, and then I'm gonna wipe it clean with my cloth. This type of table is perfect from New Year's to a birthday party. Chalk up a win for Leftovers with Annie. This is awesome. I can personalize this table, everything from assorted cheeses to the wine selection for the night. I love the way that turned out and can't wait to use it for my next gathering. If you do this project at home, I want to see it. Make sure to tag us and use the hashtag, #TheHelpfulPlace. Thank you for watching Leftovers with Annie. For another idea on how to personalize your table, keep watching.